వ్యూవర్స్, ఈ వీడియోలు మిస్ కాకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి, పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో I am going to analyze measuring methods of the national income. How many measuring methods are there? How can we explain the measuring methods of national income are the discussing topic in this video. Let me analyze clearly. So, lesson name is National Income. Lesson name is National Income. In the lesson, measurement of national income. Measurement of national income. What are the measurement? How many measuring methods are there? And how can we measure the national income? Which means national income. What are the measuring methods of the national income? Before we going to measuring methods of national income, first of all, we want to know what is the definition of the national income. What is the national income? The total value of, simply, the total value of all final goods value plus services value during a particular year is called the national income. Once again, the total value of or the aggregative value of all final goods and services value during a particular year is called the national income. So, this is the definition of the national income. Clearly, we can say, see here, production, simple, production is equal to income is equal to expenditure. Simple. Production is equal to income is equal to expenditure. Here, production, to produce the goods and services, we need to the factors of productions. To produce any, if it is goods and services, to produce the goods, we need to the factors of productions. So, the production, after complete the production, the income is goes to the factors of productions. Means, in the form of rent, wages, interest and profits. So, production income, after complete the production, the income is goes to the factors of productions. Factors of productions earn the income by participating the production process. Simple. So, production is equal to the income. Then, the income is a conversion into the expenditure. Expenditure means the income which is earned by the factors of productions, consumption and investment. Okay, so production is equal to income is equal to expenditure. Here, production and this is production. Production conversion into the income. Income means rent, wages, interest and profits. Okay, so the income is again changed into the expenditure. Expenditure is in the form of consumption and investment. Then the expenditure is goes to the production. What is going on? So it is around in between production, income, expenditure. So production is equal to income, income is equal to the expenditure. So here the same manner the measuring methods of national income are divided into three types. One is here output method, or production method. Output method or production method, first method. Second, income method, simple. Third one, expenditure method. Okay, output method or production method, income method, and expenditure method. So these are the three methods we have to follow to measure the national income in India particularly. Not only India. So throughout the world, there are three methods to calculating the national income. Here, output method or production method. Output method means the income or the total income which is produced by the total population of the country is called the total output method. The income which is produced by the total population of the country, or the total value of all final goods and services value producing in a particular year is called the national income or output method. So the income which is earned by the total population of the country. For example, here the economy is divided into three sectors. Let me analyze it. Here this is the economy is divided into three sectors. One is agriculture, simple and agriculture, industrial, and service sector. Agriculture sector, we get the production from agriculture, and we get the production from industrial sector, and we will not get the production from service sector. We get only the income from service sector. Here, production method, output method. Production is nothing but output. So production multiply into market price, we get the income. And the second, production into multiply into market values, we get the income. So when we calculate, add these three, agriculture, industrial, service sector, we get the national income. So how can we obtain the national income? By adding the production method, productivity and income, easily we get the national income. So this is the first method, first way to find out the national income or measuring methods of national income. First one. Okay, so in the first one, how much quantity national income is equal to quintals, how much quantity into price. This is first year, 1 year. How much quantity and what is the price of that commodity P1 plus Q2 into P2. This is second year. In the same manner, Qn into Pn. This is third year. Third means example year. How much quantities of production produced by the total population of the country and what is the price of that commodity. When we multiplied quantity into price, quantity means goods production, how much quantity of goods and services what will be. So we get the national income 1 year, second year, example years. Okay, so this is the first method, output method. Then income method. What is the income method? Which means the factors, how much income the factors of productions earned by participating the production process or economic activities. How much income earned by the factors of productions? How much income means, for example, rent plus wages plus interest plus profits. National income is equal to rent. Means it is the first factors of productions. Land gets rent, labor gets wages, interest on what is it? Capital on interest, organization on profits. Okay, so rent is the income of the land. Income. See here, income of the land. Wages are the income of the labor, and interest is a income of the capital, and profits are income of the organization. So when we add rent, wages, interest and profits, we get the national income. So this is the second method to measure the national income. Maybe output method maybe you can use, or income method you may be used. So this is the income method. Next one, expenditure method. The how much expenditure is by or doing by the total population of the country. What is the expenditure? Expenditure of the people means, for example, expenditure method is expenditure of households plus expenditure of the farms plus expenditure of the government, expenditure of the government plus net exports. Net exports when we calculate the expenditure method. So in the expenditure method, it is a C plus S. How many? What is the consumption level and what is the saving level? So national income are here. National income is equal to consumption plus saving. What is the consumption of total population of the country? And what is the saving of the total population of the country? When we calculate the C plus S, we get the national income. So first method, second method, third method. So each and every method will give us the same result. If you take the first one is, if you take the second or third, any method you can use, the getting result will be the same. Okay, so here throughout the world countries are, they are following their favorable methods. So, but India particularly, they are introduced the output method and income method. In India, the calculation of national income is introduced by output method and income method. But who estimated the national income? The national income estimated was Central Statistical Organization. The Central Statistical Organization was established to estimate the national income for every 1 year. Every 1 year, the national income is estimating with the help of output production method or income method. So this is not a possible way because it is expenditure method. Expenditure method is too difficult to measure the national income. So easily we can get how much income you can derive or you can get, but it is difficult to say the how much expenditure and how much saving. So the most of the countries are, they are following the output method and income method due to the illiteracy in particularly in India. So they are not maintaining the records, expenditure records, saving records. So due to maximum in India particularly, we are we are measuring the national income by using the output method and income method. Okay. So students, this is the information of measuring methods of the national income.